Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And looking at Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart, we're gonna see what happened and what it could happen now. Of course, we saw lower prices as expected in the morning. In the daily analysis, we were here and I said, yeah, we will drop down today because all the indicators and signals tells us that there is some weakness going on. So what's going on here is a 1-2 in the bullish scenario. Of course, 1-2 and then another 1-2 here. We are in a wave 3 where we have hit, of course, the high and of course with high amount of volume as we can see here. So this is your wave 3 possibly. Now we were looking for a wave 4. This wave 4, of course, went deeper as expected. And it might, of course, invalidate this bullish scenario soon, where we can reach, of course, this invalidation point at the wave 1, where interfering with the zone 1 at 99,000, almost 950. So yeah, I would say this is your invalidation of a bullish, all right? And then yeah, so actually not surprised. This is what we expected in the morning. In case we are in a something else unfolding like a 1-2 and then 1-2-3, yeah, it can be possible. Wave 4 again, yeah, interfering here, but yeah, then it needs, of course, a lower price to say, of course, we are bearish. But yeah, this is a bad signal, guys. It is very impulsive towards the downside. We cannot say that this is a correction ABC as an expanding flat. It's very long. What we are looking at, possibly much more possible, is an ABC here for this wave 2. By all means, let's go to the 1 hour bearish scenario where we have here a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, an impulse toward the downside finishing a wave 1, and then 3 waves up for A, 3 waves down for B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing a wave C over there, of course, as a correction, and then moving towards the downside impulsively. Now, what it is possible that we are having here 1, 2, 3, possible even finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We would like to see a wave 1 here and 2, and then continuation towards the downside, guys. At least your scenario can be in the bearish, can be a zigzag, A, B, and a C, where you want to reach, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level taken from the wave A here as a wave B as well as a base point. So this is your target at 87,500 almost, yes. So this can be a scenario of A, B, and a C. And if you remember, in the deep analysis for the weekend, we saw this scenario as bearish, right? So this is one of the bearish scenario possibilities that we saw in the deep analysis the last weekend, where we might be in an A, B, and a C, or a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the downside. So now the signals that we might, or yeah, that we would like to watch, I think it's already hit invalidation already during the video. So yeah, I'm looking, of course, now for an impulse, definitely. This is your wave 1, guys, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. So we're looking a little bit for high, and then 3, 4, 5 towards the downside again, possibly for a wave C in a zigzag, or possibly in a wave 3 for an impulse. As you can see on KGT as well on the 3-minute chart, we don't have a divergence. We have a bullish signal here. It might be your wave 4 or your wave 2 actually after 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And as you can see, there is no divergence between the price action and the bullish signal. Therefore, this bullish signal here might be your wave 2 or your wave 4 towards the upside. And then, of course, yeah, that will create another bearish signal here, creating a divergence and then a continuation towards the downside. So basically that was it for Bitcoin. Now, are we very bearish? Did we end the bull run? Well, that depends on this price action here. If we hit only the 1-to-1 fib level, I would say we are still corrective in 3 waves toward the downside and then continuation toward the upside for the bull run. In case we yeah, overshoot the 1-to-1 fib level under the 87,500. That would bring us to our CME gap that we were looking for here in this area where we have 70,000, 77,000 and 80,000, right? So this is our CME gap. We need to fill it up sooner or later. So that might be a scenario as well for a longer bearish scenario, only when breaking the 87,000. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.